Hello and welcome. I'm Name542 and this is the 3D Create and Print Magazine issue 12. I'm going to be doing this a little bit differently now. So what we're going to be doing is each drop I'll try and do it so it's more fluent. So every week there'll be an episode, but it will be a weekly episode of each different part, each different magazine that is. So in this drop we actually got the toolkit, which I did a video earlier. I kind of messed it up. So here's the toolkit. Can you see it? I think you can. Yeah, you can. That's just about right. We've got wire clippers here. We've got like a thing to like a chisel kind of thing to remove it from the pad. We've got some different size wrenches and some, I think it's a flathead and a crosshead screwdriver, and then I need those pliers and some Allen keys. That's what they are, Allen keys. Okay, so yeah, that is the toolkit. I would have unboxed it right in front of you, but I messed up with my tripod, and yeah, so I had to restart this video. But I only got to here last time, so that's fine. Yeah, so in this magazine, we have lampshades over here, and people showing off about different lighting with different 3D prints and stuff. We have the finishing of the trophy. Oh god, it's been a long time since the last video. Resizing different extensions, and also with the warehouse for SketchUp, you can get different models and stuff like that you can download, which are pre-done. Yeah, so there's loads of cool stuff you can use, and then it also goes into getting ready to print. Yeah, so you can load it, print, slice it, and then actually print it and send it to your printer. We can't do that yet because all we have is this big metal bar right here. This is the y-axis for the printer. This is all we have so far, but it's on its way. You know, it's getting there. Yeah. So here you can see loads of minions that have been printed, and it talks about batch printing here. So down here, if you can see that, you can see that. It does it all in one as a well, like a whole slab. And then after that you put the parts together. So that's one way of doing some things in there. You can make motors and different kind of things that way. And here is the next bit. Here is the actual build stage. So what I'm going to do is actually build it right here while I talk through it. So yeah, these videos are going to be slightly different. They might be a little bit shorter because obviously I'm only doing one magazine per episode, but you know, it should make it more frequent, which I know a few people were saying was they wanted more frequency in these videos. So I mean, I've got limited content for these at the moment, so I'm going to try and spread them out and do it that way. But yeah, you can see here's the bar that I've got. Here's the picture in the magazine. Can you see that side? Yeah, you can, quite clearly actually. So yeah, the power cable comes out of this here. It's only on that side, so this goes here like this. What I didn't do was attach this two bits together, because there was quite a few. Because apparently we needed to use that again later on. We had to. Oh no! Oh no! Got my screws in there. But it's okay. I got them out. Yeah, that is actually to screw them two together. So I won't. I won't be using them. I'll just move that over there. Yeah. I don't even think you saw any of that, but I apologise. I'm going to need to learn how to use that a bit better. That's cameras and stuff. I'm used to doing gaming videos. I don't know if you know. Hopefully you do. Hopefully you watch them as well. But yeah, I mean, they do gaming videos, and they are a lot easier to record. You don't have to actually have a camera for that. So yeah, we've got this bit here, just lining it up. Just going to screw it in. So we've got a magnet head here, so it kind of makes it a lot easier to connect the screws, and it holds them, which is very useful. So yeah, just continuing on, got the last two to go. Oh god, I don't know if I kept it in the older videos, but I used to mess up screwing screws quite frequently, very frequently actually. It would be pretty much every episode I'd drop a screw on the floor, and one episode I dropped the screw on the floor and it went down the back of the desk, and I couldn't find it for hours. I was I was searching around for that screw for ages. Oh god, this one doesn't want to go in. Okay, that means there's an alignment issue. Let's have a look. It doesn't look that bad actually, the alignment. So maybe we'll just try poking it in and up like this. It's going in now. There we go. There we go. I don't actually know what this is for. This big bit of metal here. I'm doing it on top of the cover. God damn, that's a bad idea, isn't it? Maybe not really, actually, not really at all. Yeah, so that's that bit. As you can see on here, this is that bit, and then so I just put my face right in front of the camera. Yeah, that's that. In this one, we also get, with the code at the beginning, the second part to the dragon puzzle. A sturdy hook. Wow, that's pretty cool actually. Apparently it's a hook that will stop things slipping onto the floor for maybe the back of your door or something like that. Good for DIY bods and things like that. 10-pin bowling set. This is one pin. This is one pin, but I suppose all the 10 pins are the same, so you just print that pin 10 times. Don't know how big it is. Let's have a look. Pin is 60 by 20 width and depth. So yeah, it's it's quite small. 60 is just like this big. It is. Oh god. Okay, yeah. Got a Sphinx here, which is pretty cool. A miniature Sphinx, whatever it is. And then a preview of our Vector-free software. The Vector-free host software that links your computer to your Vector-free printer has a user-friendly interface and very easy to use. We'll give you an overview of the software key functions. Okay, so there's new software that we'll have to download and install to be able to print to the printer, which is actually this software here. I thought it would be built into the other software that we had, but apparently not. But that's fine. That's fine. That's completely fine. Yeah. So next issue, we get this huge plate of metal. It doesn't look huge in there, but I have seen it and it is huge. So it's the left bottom plate and feet. So yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and everything. Follow me on Twitter, that's @Nathan42, and thanks for watching.